This is the beautifully redesigned 10-year award that Apple gifts employees. Ooh, this could be a very cool unboxing. Do we have any Apple employees in the audience that would be willing to lend us this gift that have been there for 10 plus years? Because this would make for a really cool unboxing video. Exclusive, man. You got to work there for 10 years to get this?
I guess so, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I don't even actually know if maybe it's just like a cool looking envelope, but Apple does this so well, the packaging of things, everything, the products, and apparently their 10-year awards. A new video posted to YouTube offers a really interesting look at what's described as one of the rarest Apple products on earth. You just got your clip title, Will. Unboxing the rarest Apple product on earth.
Okay.
Because you need to work there for 10 years in order to be gifted with this particular experience. The video comes from Dongle Book Pro, one of the best curators of rare and prototype Apple hardware. Actually, he sent us the AirPower prototype.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah.
Was it?
Is it?
Well, I thought you arranged it, or was that somebody else?
Oh, maybe it's someone else.
Okay, my bad.
I'll see.
Anyway, I remember shouting out Dongle Book Pro. Maybe it's a collaboration or something. But anyway, this guy has an incredible collection of Apple hardware. The company in the past has gifted employees a similar award, but it was made from crystal rather than aluminum. The new one is made from aluminum. The aluminum is used for this award in the same way it's used for other Apple products. There's a stainless steel Apple logo on the front with the number 10 engraved on the side, as well as the employee's name. You also get an Apple polishing cloth in the box as well.
Nice.
Okay, all right. Let's play a little bit of it here. This is cool. 10 years is a long time to do anything.
However, there are some
a decade.
Is this? Well, we get a pretty big clue if we open it up.
10 years.
Congratulations on reaching this milestone moment. The work you've done, the challenges you've met, all the breakthroughs you've made possible, they add up to a profound and lasting contribution to Apple's mission to change
That
the
looked like
world
it's signed in
for the
ink
better.
from
On
Tim.
behalf of everyone at
Tim
Apple,
Cook in
thank
ink.
you for all you bring.
He pulled a pen out for 10-year employees.
Tim Cook, CEO. Which it does actually look like Tim Cook may have actually signed this. But yes, this is a 10-year service award. And this is not any 10-year service award. This is the new 10-year service award.
It looks like
Apple has done a lot of these over the years.
Their packaging is crazy.
In shape and form.
Little
The most
flips and
recently
flaps.
known one being the Crystal 10-year service
That's
award.
nice.
Made
That's
out
cool.
Of a 5-pound block of crystal that then has a laser-etched Apple logo carved out of the middle of it. Really cool thing. However, heavy on its own here. And you'll
So they went from crystal to aluminum. Aluminum is kind of more like their language.
Sure, yeah.
Greeted by more packaging. This is also somewhat similar in design.
Yeah, maybe we can just talk to this guy, borrow his. I don't know, because he lent us something in the past, too, to check out.
Okay, yeah.
6000 series, aluminum.
To seal the finish and create
Cool.
a protective layer. The side of the block, we will see.
Wow.
A giant aluminum slab.
There are deviations of this. If we jump back to the front.
Yeah, there's probably not many of those out there, right? I mean, how many people make it to 10 years at Apple?
Reward. If you could something Apple made.
It's kind of like how YouTube does when you have a certain subscribers and you get that award. This is the Apple version of that for employees.
10-year award side by side.
It's like a plaque.
Yeah, I mean, you just put it on a shelf. Yeah, it's you know what? It kind of looks like a Mac Mini, a little bit. Like you could imagine a universe in which the Mac Mini had squared off edges, and that's what it would look like. But in this case, it's an aluminum slab. You put on a shelf, and you're one of the rare people that actually made it 10 years over there and has the award to prove it.
A giant paperweight.
So somebody said they'd rather have stock options. Yeah, I guess.